So just a quick video, I am unboxing a Baxi 800 Combi 2 boiler. So I'm just going to show you what comes in the box with it. So let's take a look at that. So I already took the straps off the boiler, so you get two white straps that go around the boiler. And this is the Baxi 800, which is a 30 kilowatt, so it's known as the 830, and it's the Combi 2. So this is the second version of this boiler. There was a Baxi 800, the original. And as we open it up, we can see inside. This comes with a Adey MagnaClean Micro 2 filter, so that will get put onto the boiler. You have to put that onto the boiler because it is part of the warranty requirements to getting 10 years with the Baxi boiler. So, nice little filters, I like them. Easy to service and work with. And then you get all your bits and pieces. So this particular one, and the nice thing about this is you get it all in cardboard packaging, paper packaging, very good for recycling and getting rid of. And then you get your bits and pieces. If I can open this with one hand. So this is all the pipework tails that come with the boiler. In this particular one, your next one is your valves for the boiler and seals and other bits and pieces. There you go. You get the filling loop, easy fill filling loop with the little green lever on the bottom. I like these, never had any real issues with them. Sometimes they can stick a bit but up and down, but I've had that with Worcester boilers and other boilers, so not a problem. Comes with the boiler though, so no additional costs there. What else we've got? We've got the instruction booklet. So this comes with the template for the boiler, which I will be sticking on the wall in a moment, so I can see where all the pipework's got to line up and the screw holes for the boiler. What else we've got inside the boiler? So this is all your warranty paperwork, your instruction booklet, your energy efficiency stuff and other things. Some of that will get chucked away because it's just not needed. And then you've got your spanner for the magnetic filter. These are the stickers, serial numbers, you don't need to see them. Some information for the LPG conversion kit. So these boilers are LPG ready out the box, so you just need to change the settings in the boiler so you can run it on LPG instead of natural gas. This is a pipe clip holder which allows you to run the pipes up the back of the boiler, because there's a void at the back of the boiler, so you can run pipe work up the back of the boiler without having a standoff kit. And that basically attaches onto this like so, or the other way around, can't remember. And then this is your bracket for the boiler. That's all you need for hanging the boiler. So that goes on the wall and the boiler just hangs straight on there. The boiler's pretty lightweight, so this is absolutely perfect. Nice and easy for the boiler installation. And then we take off cardboard box off the top. More cardboard packaging to protect the boiler. That's off. And then you've got the boiler itself. You can see here that is the void for pipework down the back of it. We slide the box off. And there you have it. You have the boiler itself all ready to go. So the hanging bracket, if you can see this, just drops into the tabs, and that's how it hangs off the back. So, yeah, nice and easy. So that is what comes in the Baxi 800 Combi 2 box.